video, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to talk about measuring offsets of wheels, because a lot of the time buying second-hand wheels, people say they're a certain size and most of the time they're not because they have no idea. The ones we're going to measure are my old fronts, these Work Stitch Evolutions. Now, I was told when I bought these that they were 17 by 9 plus 5. So we'll do the measurement and I'll show you how to do that, and we'll see if it's correct or not. Now, very easy to measure the size of your wheels, even though I did stuff this up the first time and actually uploaded the video and realised I stuffed up. So, all you need to do is flip your rim face down on a flat surface, and you'll need a straight edge and lay it on top and a tape measure. All you got to do through the center of the rim is measure the width of your rim, which this is 260. Now from that you need to find your center, which is obviously half of 260, which is 130. So that means the center of your rim is at 130 mil. Now all you need to do is measure from the mounting surface of the rim back up to your straight edge again, which is on this 125. Now what that means is, if your center line is 130 and the face of this rim is 125, that means your mounting surface is 5 mil back from the center of the rim, which makes it a 17 by 9 negative 5. So this whole time I thought these were 17 by 9 plus 5. So it turns out they're not. Now the reason I wanted to measure these, well, one, because I need to sell them, so I need to know what size they are to put them up for sale. And two, these are what's going on the front now. These are AVS VS6s, not to be confused with Model 6s. They have a different center design. They look a bit weird. They've got like the spoke comes all the way to the center with a small cap. Now these are 9 plus 18, so I needed to know what size spacer to get these to sit the same as these. So going from the measurements, I need a 23 mil spacer to get them to sit exactly the same. Now I've wanted some of these on the front. This is the style I wanted. Dish on the back, one-piece cast on the front. These were white and very damaged when I got them, so I had them fixed, repowder coated inside and out, and they have come up great. So I'll get a spacer and chuck these on and see how they look. Okay, so spacers are on. To get it exact, I ended up having to go a 15 mil bolt on with an 8 mil slip on, which makes it 25. Now these are hub centric, don't worry everybody. Now, try not to scratch these.